Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. The DJI Mini 2 drone sits really low to the ground, so launching it from grass or even a gravel road can be a problem. Sure, you can use a landing pad or hand launch it, but let me share a simple solution that works well and keeps your drone under 250 grams. This is an 8-gram 3D printed set of landing gear that easily clips onto your Mini 2 and raises it a bit off the ground, just enough to keep it out of the grass or dirt. Installed, the drone still comes in just under 250 grams, so you don't have to worry about registration or pilot certification, if that happens to apply in your country. In Canada, for example, it's really important to stay under 250 grams if you want to avoid the burden of all the current regulations. The Mini 2 doesn't complain about the extra payload weight, it's only 8 grams, and I haven't noticed any issue with flight performance. It's compact, so you can slip it into your standard drone case, and super easy to install. It is a bit fragile, so be careful. I broke my first set immediately by bending it too much. And before you ask, no, I will not be selling this thing. It would cost more to ship it than it would be for you to make it yourself or have someone make it for you. My son printed this one off for me on his 3D printer. Here's a cool time lapse that he captured. The design itself is freely available in the thingiverse. The link for that is in the description, along with some other things to know when you're printing it. From what I hear, a lot of libraries and schools have 3D printers you can use, or you can find someone locally with a printer themselves. There you go. A simple solution for the Mini 2, and your drone stays under 250 grams. Enjoy.